So he can turn the corner and make something happen, but you and I were talking before the game, it's going to be awful hard to run around either one of these defenses. They've both got great speed. You're going to have to hit the hole quickly. It's going to be tough to outrun them. 16 carries, 85 yards for Nick Maddox to this point.
3rd and goal with 5. Hart, play fake, rolls big side, looks, being chased, will turn it down and run it into the end zone. Touchdown, Kannapolis. He kept pumping, Woody, and pumping and pumping, and finally ran out of real estate.
Well, we've seen him show his athletic ability before. We talked about Jackson, but Harden can run the ball as well. And that's a heady play by a guy who knows something about football. Hold the ball in the air like that and back the defense up, or even make him hesitate for a second, and it gives him just enough room to find the corner of the end zone.
And the Wonders have gained the momentum here.
Big extra point now.
They're back on top. This would be a 4-point lead here for John Garver, the senior. 6'2", soccer-style kicker. Good snap, and the kick is into the crowd. Timeout on the field with 6 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. 3rd period. Wonder kickoff is next.